Hello guys, welcome to this channel once again. Today it's another day to make it. It's a Monday, market is open, everyone is ready to go out there and explore the markets. Guys, just for a quick update before I continue with what I want to talk about today, remember I said that this year I'm going to be taking in people who are going to be on the private mentorship group. So I was thinking of only taking 10, but because there is a lot of people who are interested, I think I'm just going to make it 100. So make sure you keep in touch to get an update on when we are starting this. Go on the video description, there is a link for a Telegram group. That is where I'm going to post the details, so make sure you join that Telegram group. It's a free group, so don't worry, you can just join it and be on the waiting list. Otherwise, this year we are going to be making profits. I'm not going to be alone, I'm going to be taking people with me. So guys, today I'm just going to be talking about this scalping strategy that you're going to need in 2025, because this year I told you we are making extreme profits, we are bringing results. As you can see, I don't talk about theory, I bring in results. So guys, I'm going to do a video of where we're going to do live trading on this strategy very soon, maybe tomorrow if I get time, so I will see. But in the meantime, I just want to lay it out to you. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to firstly start on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame I want us to look at the way market is. So as you can see right now, we've got a bearish movement of price on the daily time frame. But if you look at these two places over here, if you take that spike and you see the spike, so basically it means that price has been trying to go beyond this, but it did not move up, and it has been trying to go at least below this. So price has been stuck just on this region over here, as you can see. But then that's not where we are right now. So this is a bearish movement of price on the daily time frame. So let's go down to the smaller time frames. Let's take it to the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame right now, we are having a bearish movement of price once again, as you can see. And then most people ask about the zoom level. Guys, we are not really interested much on the zoom level on this, as long as you can see the candles very well and you can see the chart clearly. That is the most important part. Stop trying to complicate things, trying to complicate the strategy. So now on the 30-minute time frame, we also have a bearish movement of price. So basically price is bearish today. And now let's take it to the 5-minute time frame, because that is where we are going to be working. So now on the 5-minute time frame, this is what, remember, we want to make quick profits here. And always remember that when we talk about making quick profits, it means we need to make sure we use a bigger lot size on the smaller time frames, because we just want to scalp and be out in a few seconds. So now you can see that price is going down on the 5-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do right now is that I can sell. So we can just sell at this period over here, and we are selling with what? With a bigger lot size. So whenever price begins to make this, so let me just make this illustration like this so that everyone can see. So whenever the price is like this, it's going up. Remember, on the bigger time frame, it's a bearish movement. So whenever price goes up, I am going to wait for that moment where price goes up. That is where I am going to sell. So whenever the price is bullish, I'm going to be selling. It's almost as if we're doing the opposite, but what we are definitely doing is this: we are trying to maximize our profits with every movement that we are doing. Because if I sell here, for instance, already price is going down, right? So if I'm selling there, it means I'm just going to be going with price. But if I sell when price is going up, mostly at the highest point of price, maybe even for here, I can sell when I'm here. Why? Because I know that if price on the bigger time frame is going down, so from this point over here going down, it's going to give me a lot of profits. That is the mindset that we keep this year. We want to make as much profits as we can from the weekly or the small entries that we are going to be making. So whenever price is bullish, we are selling. Whenever price is bullish, we are selling. Whenever price is bullish, we are selling. So we're just going to wait for those key points where price is going up, and then if we see a possible reversal, we are selling, because we are going with the trend. So right now this is USDCAD. So that was the example in USDCAD. Maybe let's go to USDJPY, because I want to show you something different. So let's go to the daily time frame again and see how things are going. So this is the daily time frame. As you can see, price is going up. So on the daily time frame, price is going up. That's okay, so we keep that in mind. Now what I've got here are fractals. These things that you see, these arrows that you keep on seeing, these are fractals. So whenever the last fractal is, maybe for example, if the last fractal is at the top, it means that price is going to be bearish. So as you can see, that way the bearish movement of price. And then if the last fractal is at the bottom like it did here, it means price is going to be bullish. So as you can see, price was bullish. So that is how fractals work. I'm not sure if you need the settings for that, but fractals are just up here. So you can just go on the main chart and click on fractals. You just set to default. You just simply click to default, and they will be appearing on your trade like this. Otherwise, we're not working on that. It was just additional information. So guys, we said price on the daily time frame is bullish. That's good. So let's go to the 30-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, price is also bullish. That's okay. That's very nice. So let's take it to the 5-minute time frame. So on a 15-minute time frame, we can now decide to buy, and we are buying using a bigger lot size because we want quick profits, and we want to make sure that every trade and every entry is worth it. Because if we're just going to be using a smaller lot size, why risk? You saw that price on the bigger time frame is bullish, so let's not risk little when we can make so much using just a small entry in the market, because we want to enter and go up without any problem. So remember, I said on the daily time frame, what you are going to be looking for is this thing. So you can see the fractal over here, it was pointing up, meaning that price was going to be bearish like it did, but that was for yesterday, because this is the weekly time frame. So on the daily time frame, it is just down here, and the price is going to be bullish as it did. So now going down to the smaller time frames is giving us a lot of confirmation and confidence that every entry we are going to make is going to be worth it. So now let's just try USDCHF. So this is USDCHF, and the price is going down. As you can see, the fractal that was giving us an assurance there was that price is going to be going down. Remember, I said whenever the fractal is pointed up, it means there's going to be a bearish movement of price. So price is going down on the daily time frame. So now we're just going to take it to the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, you saw price on the bigger time frame is going down, but on the 30-minute time frame, we've got a bullish movement of price. That's good. And I want us to go to the 5-minute time frame. So on the 5-minute time frame, price is also bullish. So you see now, it's as if price is doing the opposite of what it's doing on the bigger picture. Like on the daily time frame, price was going down, right? Maybe let me make it clear again. So you see, on the daily time frame, price is going down, but on the 5-minute time frame and the 50-minute time frame, price is going up. So this is what I'm going to do right now. It's as if we're going to do something that is different, or something that is as if it's against the laws of forex. So this is what we're going to do. Remember, price is going down on the daily time frame. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to buy on the smaller time frames. I'm buying because my price on the smaller time frames will keep on going. As you can see, this was the last 5 minutes, this one, and that one. So I'm going to be entering my trades is simply just like that. So I can be buying and I can be also selling. Remember, I said if I sell at this point over here, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to be making profits going down, because on the daily time frame my price is going down. So basically that's it, guys. So otherwise, if you want to hear more videos and see more strategies, feel free to subscribe and learn more on this channel. We are going to be bringing in live trades very soon. Otherwise, our results speaks for themselves. So I'll be seeing you guys very soon.